I'm going to make a water volcano, but we've got to keep it away because it's a big explosion. Yeah, take out. Okay, stand back. No, you didn't do it correctly. Right, let me do it this time. Let me pause it. Move. No, don't do it yet, move. It's full of water. I don't know why it's coming up. Okay. It's going to pop, I have a feeling. Let it out. Ice cold. Oh! That wasn't so I didn't mean to. Wait, it didn't get the camera, so we're going to bring it a bit closer this time. Okay? Right, so we're going to bring it a bit closer. Surely it won't get it over here. Got it. Let's do it. Do it. I'm going to bring you a bit closer now because it's still not getting it. Okay. Okay, bye.